Gas transportation system is a large-scale main gas pipeline complex 1,000 kilometers long. Huge amount of energy is consumed to make the required pressure in a pipeline to transmit gas for such long distances. These have led to a following task: to deliver gas to consumers with far less pressure in their system. Gas regulation stations have been created for this purpose. They lower the pressure in gas extraction points from main gas pipeline into consumer network. There are tens of thousands of gas regulation stations on the world's main gas pipelines. Most of them have gas reduction unit, where pressure reduction takes place. In such a case, potential energy of reducible gas is not utilized efficiently, but rather it is wasted. United Productions experts have implemented the idea of gas expansion unit that partially converts this potential energy into electric one for independent gas regulation station power supply in case of emergency shutdown from electric grid. It is understood that only a small part of excessive precious potential energy is utilized. Invention of jet and vortex turbines allowed to implement the idea of using gas expansion unit for electrical energy generation, not only for gas regulation stations' own needs, but also for supply its large volume excess generated to common electric grid. Moreover, electricity generated has such properties that it can be supplied directly into a common electric grid with no need for any additional expensive equipment. Conventional axial flow turbines are efficient only at the highest flows. Jet and vortex turbines, however, are designed for medium and low flows that enable to apply it almost on any existing gas regulation station. United Productions Company installs gas expansion units between main gas pipeline and gas regulation station. Thus, electrical supply to the electric grid is ensured. Considering all peculiarities of gas transportation, gas expansion unit will consist of several gas expansion machines arranged in parallel. Their number will depend on power of gas regulation station and gas flow variation within a day. When the gas flow is at maximum, all gas expansion machines operate. With a decrease in gas consumption, the redundant gas expansion machines will be deactivated automatically. In urgent cases, when gas consumption becomes lower than the design value, all gas expansion machines will be deactivated and gas will be supplied in bypass mode. In case of emergency, when gas regulation station becomes unpowered, gas supply is switched on to the special little gas expansion machine, which can serve the needs of station independently without shutting down of its operation until power supply is restored. The energy generated by gas expansion machines requires no fuel. It doesn't create any fumes into the air or any other pollutions. This is environment-friendly energy-saving technology supported by the Kyoto Protocol, green energy. In the conditions of the global energy crisis, gas expansion machines produced by United Productions will allow to obtain pollution-free energy at the most minimal cost.